Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are doing finally again much awaited recipe, which is vanilla sponge cake. And this has no curd, no condensed milk, no butter, no egg, and I don't know how many no's, but it's going to be very delicious and very soft. So just try it out and let me know. Let's just dive right into the video and see how we make it. So guys, firstly you have to take the milk and add vinegar to it and keep it aside. Vinegar आप अगर दूध में ऐड करते हो तो उससे वो curdle हो जाता है. That is very good for your cake sponginess. So you have to do this step and keep it aside for a few minutes until we start doing the dry ingredients and adding the rest of the wet ingredients. Now all my dry ingredients are already sieved and kept. So this is the maida we have. Then we have the caster sugar here. Then we have the corn flour. Corn flour gives you very soft texture, so do not skip this. Then we have a pinch of salt. All the measurements will be given in the description box below as always. We have some baking soda. We have some baking powder. Going ahead and adding some vanilla essence. Then add the oil. Always make sure you remove the oil properly with the help of a spatula, like how I am doing it, because otherwise all the oil will be stuck in the bowl and you don't want that. Even the butter, while taking any fat out of the bowl, remember to do this step. Then the water, and give it a nice whisk. Once it becomes a little thick, now lastly you will add the curdled mixture of milk and vinegar. Again take the spatula and remove all the residue of the mixture. Continue mixing it. Always remember to mix your batter in one direction, otherwise you will deflate the batter. Make sure all these lumps are nicely mixed. What you can do is take the spatula, scrape down the batter. Then again keep whisking it until everything is mixed well. This is the batter consistency you want. It is not very thin or not very runny, and not very thick as well. Somewhere in the middle. Okay. This will give you approximately 320-325 grams of sponge. So you can use it for half kg cake. And also of course depending on how much filling and frosting you do, it'll come up to that much. You can use two recipes, like double the recipes for 1 kg, which is what we're doing. We already have one sponge ready, and the second sponge will be baked in another 6-inch pan. So now my tin is prepared. I've greased it like always with oil and put parchment paper, a small piece at the bottom, and this is going to go inside the oven at 160 or 170 degrees, whatever suits your oven. So guys, the cake was in the oven for around 40 minutes and now it's out. It's been cooling down since 35 to 40 minutes and it's pretty cold, that's why I'm touching it. So now I'm going to demold this cake. You all can see how soft it is and even spongy. There's a very slight bump to it which we can cut it off. You all can see the pretty crumbs over here. Okay. Now I'll show you all the sponge that I had baked and kept already, which I have also shown on my Instagram page. So this is the same recipe. I've baked and kept one layer, and this is the second layer. This is freshly baked, so it's pretty soft, that's why I'm not touching it too much. But this is also very soft and spongy. Y'all can see it. So guys, that's it for the vanilla sponge cake video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all will try this recipe out. If you all do, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. Don't forget to follow us there, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I make a lot of videos on baking and eggless baking especially, and cake decorating and other stuff related to baking. So don't forget to subscribe, and also if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you all really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe.